All right, this is Keith Anderson with Flood Defense Group. Today we're experimenting with how we can work with multiple types of flood barrier systems together to achieve additional height. In this case, we're stacking the NOAQ Boxwall on top of one of our soil-filled systems. This is an example of how you can achieve additional height on a soil-filled system by using a removable barrier. So limitations may apply, but within this experiment, we're really excited with how the Boxwall allows us to achieve additional height on our soil-filled barrier. One of the things that we also want to test with this product, the NOAQ Boxwall, is debris impact. What happens if debris comes ripping into the NOAQ Boxwall? Will it fail? Would the whole entire row come tumbling over? Or would it simply rip a hole right in the unit that got exposed to the overwhelming debris? So it's our hope with this system that it's only an isolated area of damage as we introduce it to catastrophic debris impact. So we're getting ready to go ahead and hook up our debris, and we're getting ready to ram it into the NOAQ Boxwall and rip it right through to see what happens. Let's see. All right, Don, let's do it.